They book her for show. Palawo,
Yeah.
he fully back. He get the kind of temptation when he see before. When I go lack, make he use the mouth talk. Because Udo boy, now one musician when I lack, then because he get one music when he sing about, he use the mother sing. Agboni Bovi ye me wadu.
Mo wa to no be le.
Yeah, that's so that song. Anything that has to do with mother, I did like the song. So, Udo boy, tell us your story. How you take go register for little hand, and how you take on see the stress when you see before you come back. So tell us, make people hear. We really need to for
All right. All right.
not be
Good
on
afternoon, good morning. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, according to the time when you take this live stream. So my name na Good News Osayande, popularly known as Udo Boy. So I so much thank my Enoge when still bring me up today. God bless you, Baba. What must to talk? I'm here with normal, Baba. Yeah, the issue is that I enter our later band year 2000. Yeah, year 2007. Then so I come through for a hand, start to still they do my own some years back. So along the line, a year 2018, I dropped that song where no get sing just now. That year 2018, I drop am. So December of it was 9 day. Now I get temptation. Now I get temptation when be say I see for music. So me with my friends just stroke come out down on the 24th of wash 9 day. Me my friends stroke come out, go live band where they play those live bands. So as I entered there, people got the shout, Udo boy, Udo boy, Udo boy, Udo boy is in the building, all those hailings when MC the hey person and all those things. So I consider still order some drink for my friends then. We come dey drink. So the concept me I come play. Now I say today na wash night day. I'm not sure say I go play today or I just want come enjoy. And they say no, as far as say you don't dey our midst, you must play for us. Now I say okay, no problem. Make I just do one track. Make people not call the talk say meanwhile they don't first they talk on for the background say don't play the ratio that you not go play all those things. As I hear and I say no, may I just do one for them because they my fans. Now they enter stage. So as I they play, they go along the line. I not come no waiting happen again. No. So my two ear come block. So I can't dey ask my opponent, my boys in this stage. You know they hear wetin I dey play. They say no. They say yes, they hear. But that mean not they hear. I say I know they hear anything again. Na signal I cut they follow them talk. Now I drop the guitar. Instantly I just cut the music, drop the guitar, can't go back on stage. So they can't buy me cold water. Can't they pour cold water for head? They pour cold water for head. Now I tell my friend say, how far I want come on for here? Oh. I know they okay like this. See what you yourself. I know they hear anything when they do for here like this. I say, which can't be done one now? Now I say, don't worry. That's why I take come out. So as I reach house, I come to bathroom, on shower for body, they pour cold water for body. For where the thing not great come down. Daybreak of it, everybody they happy for Christmas. Me they cry for his house. Wetin come they happen to you? Everybody they look me, they look them. But you dey okay? I wanted dey okay. When be say I not dey hear anybody. So now be the thing. Nowhere they don't carry me pass. Nowhere. So before I pass all those stress, so many of my fans come still divert normally, na normal thing. You understand? So the thing come weak me well. Along the line, instrumental and the back then, I can't say me they sell on. Me they sell the instrument, then me they use and take care of me. No weird, they no carry me pan. All this shit I not come eat. Anything they call medicine, they eat them. You understand? To make sure say me I do okay.
go.
So no, yeah, I can't go with them. So They come do everything we do. That money that come pass on. But the thing not come, it not come keep my head.
Yeah.
Last, I can't stay day okay. So as I did okay, I can't say I don't play music again. But the thing that they in me say musician, as in people still know me say I be musician. The talent they as I be compose. When it comes to composing, I know they carry last as I be compose. So I just relax one day. I can't tell one of my friends say I for like go studio do song oh, but I not to get funds like that. And my guy cause okay no wahala. He go funds me, may I do this song. Now I do this song we be say may I post for my page recently. So this song I dropped the video for my platform there. When I go phone is saweni do tamawe. Ege when I kin ego magare o agizozo. Ugaya yigbise. Ugaya yewere. Yeah. So now I do that song. So as I do that song, some of my fans come pick again say, this one not be Udo boy. Udo boy, they don't say no, they do music again. Say no, they hear word. All those things. So now, so I can't tell they come more gradually. So they still they meet some fans online. They tell them my story. So now, as everything does the balance, I don't do okay. So this instrument of a thing will be say me I said that time. So I can't get to the let people know say me I need them back because double don't do okay now. You understand? God not grief for them. So now be the thing, Baba.
All right, Udo boy, let me play one of your songs from my fans out there. Make you see the Udo boy. Because me, I dey like to do my things with evidence of proof. So let me flip the camera.
Yes, so now out of jealousy, they will take you the boy through you, not be small.
Because the guy is sing good songs.
Yeah, now the song like be this. Yes. Now the song be this. When I do that time.
Everything on double double. 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 Thank you.
Yeah.
Then, so you never see this temptation, oh?
No. After I drop this video. Yeah, as I drop this video, to the watch night day 2018, that's December. Now I take get the temptation.
Okay. Let me take it back. So sorry for the stress we go through.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you.
So what we go do first now, because of time, because we get a lot of people here today, you go drop your number with us. Then I'll fix a date where you will come back here again.
Okay, no
But
problem.
meanwhile, you dey go show now. You don't do your this thing they call a freedom for only time.
Yeah, Tete.
And on your show, now only time forget that neck bead.
Yeah, now they forgive on that video.
Wow. Okay. On these notes, call out your number for us, your phone number. Please, my fans out there who they watch this program, he is a musician. And those things never just fully bounce back, but let's support him with whatsoever we can. You are open for shows now, Abi? You dey go show?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't dey go show.
Allow. Mona, call me your number, may I put her for here?
Okay. 081
081
3644
081 36
44 82
82. Finish.
36
081 36
yeah
44 82
36
36 or 8.
yeah
Okay.
no be that.
Know your number, B. So please,
Yeah.
people should call him for shows. Let's encourage him with shows first before we can know maybe Wetin will take help when the time comes. Because yesterday we just see newly help someone, so that's why I don't want to go into that. But if you get party we want to do recently for Benin, book a good boy. I beg, muna book a good boy. Muna take because the temptation, the stress when you see, I think
no be small.
there in the world. Now, allow this is the number, you can screenshot it. He plays good music. You know, be say TikTok don't like to they show these things. I for play am more for Namona see am say the guy they try for the music when they sing.
I fit still do am live for. I fit still do am live for una now.
Play guitar for us na here. Play guitar. Play guitar by the man before we go the next time. Play guitar. Be my fans, may play guitar for us now, be. May play guitar now, be my people. Okay, they say yes. Mona for tap. Well, I give to them. Mo see live band.
No be like. Agboni gbabi ye mo wa to. Wa ba o se ni yo mo se le lo mo be gbo mo bo. Be gbo mo bo kere. Agboni gbabi ye mo wa to. Wa ma o se ni yo mo se le lo mo be gbo mo bo. Agboni gbabi ye mo wa to. Wa me gugun o. Wa ma ya ni yo mo le lo mo be gbo mo bo. Be gbo mo bo kere. Yo mo wa to. Wa ma o se ni yo mo se le lo mo be gbo mo bo. O se ni yo mo se le lo mo. Ke gbo mo bo ga de o. Eto. Awiri o ya nu kan. Awiri o ya na bi ne gbe mi na ke mo na bi e. O ya ni yo mo le lo mo. Ke gbo mo bo ga de o. Eto. Awiri o ya nu kan. Awiri o ya na bi ne gbe mi na ke mo na bi e. Ege ga ri se. O ke ya ri mo no su se yi. Iwewe ga ri se. No ke ya ri mo no su se yi. Ibi apon ri wo te wo. No ke ya ri mo no ri o ya yi. Ibi apon ri wo te wo. No ke ya ri mo no su se yi. Wana gboni do na. Wa o yoge o eto. Agboni gbabi je mo wa to. Wa ma o se ni yo mo se le lo mo be gbo mo bo. Be gbo mo bo kere. Wa to. Wa ma o se ni yo mo se le lo mo be gbo mo bo. Ina do yi wana ri po me bia mi ye na ku no do ka me ya fe. Unieni ya se pe ye me no sazo ba bi ogwe. O se ni ye me na se lele re ya yinu ka here wo.
The power tap for me.
Iwe te ga ri gbe. Iye me iri agbade kala je o we wa de ka ni a ri tale lekin. Bogudu na ya ne gbe mi na o ke mo na bi e. Iwe te ga ri gbe. Iye me balize ko nyawo we ga si mi jodio ni a ri tale lekin. Bogudu na ya ne gbe mi na o ke mo na bi e. Oh, you got me over there. I'm with the Wadeka. You get you. But good when I am a baby now, him on up yet. Oh, you got me over there. I'm with the I see me yo ni agiti yo bagudwe na ya ne gbeme na he mo na bie akponi poni ye mo wado wa ma o se ni yo mo se le lo mo be gba mo bo here wa ma o se ni yo mo se le lo mo be gba mo bo akponi poni ye mo wado wa me gugu wa ma ya ni yo mo le lo mo be gba mo bo Begamo bahere, ma mausa ni amosale lo mo begamo ba. Ena bia nga ni bose, uwase mama uwase bute obiolo se. Udo ba nga ni wedo, ese ni umera usama asawese. Akoni ba mi ye mo wado. Mama ya ni yo mo ele lo mo be gba mo ba here mado mama o se ni yo mo se le lo mo be gba mo ba.
Wow.
Thank you.
Una see am. So I beg my people, make una dey book am for show. I want me to come and say, bros, yeah, you show ya gbe one are to. That one I want me to come and say, bro, this I take come your platform. The one you show finish me. You want to do marriage, may God forbid that you want to do burial, you want to do send off, anything at all that has to do with celebration. Please, just call his number. Okay, let's start from there first. We will still bring him back here, maybe before the end of next week. But for now, let's encourage him with wetin they do, because he get hard work. Okay, he get hard work. So you can also request, if you want his account number, because people dey write account number, you can also call him and say, bros, I see if you no get platform, if you give me your number, account number, no problem. You understand? So that's it. Udo boy, this number is WhatsApp.
Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number, sir.
Okay, no problem. They will call you now. They have an account. So if they still call you, we will send account when we near. Or if you still use your math, they call the account number. Call the account number. For people who want
okay, the account number na 30.
This one.
People don't even they call me like this.
You will bless the labor of your hand. This is solution center. When you come to my platform, you will definitely see what you are looking for.
Amen. Okay, 30, 55.
That one this one I WhatsApp number. I'm gonna write am for ground so that when one send money give her, una go send her through your WhatsApp number give her. Now,
okay.
Yeah, call me your account number now. May I pin her for years since the request.
Okay, 30, 55, 33, 93, 65. Yeah, First Bank.
First B.
First Bank. Yeah, 30, 55, 33, 93, 65. Yeah, First Bank.
For those of now the request for your account number, that is this one so. Yes. For those of you now with the request for your account number, that is this one. But please, the main reason Wetin I want to help me do for am, now maybe they carry am for show, because this one get hard work. Uboma gbe or me hard work. So even was setting ni ori ogogo no kwa ni na that show, back to back show. Egbe do we yourself. You do a form. Owe pa lawo go. I gba moye do in the show there. What is what I want. So
people are still reaching you.
Yes. One pick. Just the pick. Well, I will move. Well, now that he's back, I believe his price will be a little bit cheaper than before you bounce back. There all these show promoter where they Europe. I see one don dey react me just now say he need the number. The number dey there. But I think we mweri. Walao or wakbo bito kakabo. Walao wa mo me myself I will come support him. Walao mo are you walao mo are worry. There's a way you check your account. Now when you check account me.
Hey.
I will say on my way request for your account number. I will say kakabo. No man bless you wa. Ekbonu wa kere yo.
Never deliver.
Yeah, say never deliver. And quality queen, yeah, or what may deliver now. You know, wait first.
I will say kakabo. I will say.
Hello, bros.
I will say. I so much appreciate you. I will say. Oh, at all. As the show they go, I promise to they give you now sweet banger because the composing, the brain,
That's why
they drop better composing, not be a one. No, I swear. Amen. Oh, amen. Enemy believe try, but they not fit. As far as say God daughter can say, may I come they put smile for people face through music. They not go fit do anything by his grace.
there's a way you refresh your account. Please guys, power tap.
Okay. Alright. And network, no say na December with this, so all those network now so that they do for Nigeria.
I want to refresh account where.
No, I know they stay for Udo. Na Benin they stay. I come up for Udo year 2000. Now I come up for Udo come Benin. It don't take.
Now do person be but Udo.
Some people they ask me whether na Udo I dey.
Oh, you don't know, but stay you do. Please power tap for me, guys. That one is small. You get sweet music. That one is just the little one. And because of Bumbe.
Yeah. I dey try refresh the account. Yeah. Alright, wato wanive kudore walao aiwe mwe walao warivoya meyeke. May I come back, I swear. I promise to they give you now sweet banger. Sweet one, I swear.
No problem now, no problem. I fait do finish. I come. I say me I fait do finish here.
Okay.
Do I beg when you work can't wear because I should remove her.
A network or this stuff. When December a network here, I'm never not here in Nigeria.
Yes. Please power tap for me, power tap.
I will say kakabo.
Power tap, my people. Power tap. Let's go. We are doing nowhere. Power tap. I just want you to confirm this.
Yeah, tell you my buy it can drop no game.
Drop your buy your why you this is Zaka. Please guys, power tap.
This song, it did my account. I beg, Mona say they use the sound so that it go viral.
Yes.
Yeah. Maybe. Usoge onigaga. Woko beni yeme. Usoge onigaga. Usoge onigaga. Woko beni yeme. Usoge onigaga. Iye. Obiola se va onu oni ya ye pe la nu geso oko ni. iye me o ogelo se me onu oni ya yen pe la nu ge so o di egbe mara me o iye me o egi mi o be no ya su se le re ya no wa ma ge me o iga yiku adegi mare re so wana afya magi giye me ye ko ya o eveme iye me o usoge o ni gaga o ni ye me usoge o ni gaga ayi ta me o iriato wa ga fi me gwide imayo na khagera me yo bono ye wa magi me o me yo bono ye era ni no susele lomo ne moya you will be o si ba ke nu we era no give out era ni no yo ya le lomo ne moya we you o si ba ke nu we era no give out wa ga gi dwele na to agbobu wa kin o ti ga mo o ti ga mo popo la ipe o irani ya iraye no roki iye me o usoge o ni gaga popo la ni ye me usoge o ni gaga iye me o usoge o ni gaga popo la ni ye me usoge o ni gaga wase wagagu wase bujo agbo wa ni o tega mo o la ipe asemi yo ma ni ruge na udo ba mewe ni wuwa to wa wase wagagu wase o samoga san wa yesi wa wase iye me o usoge o ni gaga o la ni ye me usoge o ni gaga usoge o ni gaga
Awata
o ni ye usoge o ni gaga.
yo
Now see one of my track with this. It's still there my account there. I beg make una dey help me dey use and do video so that it go viral.
Udo boy, check account well. Somebody say make you check your account. May you see how much they don't give you. Yes, I never want raise money.
Okay, one deliver, yeah. 17K deliver. People still they call oh, Jesus. 17K deliver. I will attend to all of una beg. If I true for this video now, I will attend to all of una for WhatsApp. Wow.
Acting yeah. Now, then next week I'll fix the time for you to come back here again.
Yeah, 20K deliver, sir.
That 20K deliver, okay?
Yeah.
But we say, now where they give, what we say? But we say. Now do well. I appreciate it.
Thank you. We say kakaba.
Do well. Do boy. I wish you the best, and I wish you the best. Now, story next week. So another. Then I'll know say we will help you officially.
Alright, sir. We say baba. We say.
Any amount of no Pagbe stand up now, my brother. Pagbe. Any amount you still get, let me know after my live video. Now.
Alright.
Okay. Try to go answer that call. Maybe for no even our shows they want give you. Maybe for the book your shows now. Now.
No wala, sir. No wala. We say. We say, Baba, thank you. I so much appreciate you, sir. We say.
No problem.
We say. All right, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you that want to stay help, well, we say I appreciate. This woman where they deport so for Germany, yeah, he did deportation camp now. Madam, the deportation camp where you did now. You want to tell me say you know here? Share this video. Oh mume. It gets some kind of way some of una go see. You be like God go tell you say no they eat so and so food again. No they drink so and so thing again. Some people go deaf. It gets wetin you feel avoid for life. If doctor tell you say not dey eat so and so food again, you go know say you don't get problem with that. You go stay away from that food, you know, eat again. Doctor tell you say stop drinking, stop drinking. But you see some people, they're deaf. Wetin you go avoid, it go come be big problem to you. Now, I dey talk this thing 3 days ago, yeah.